thank you for trying to get a seat here. So thank you for opting in and trying to learn more about this little strategy right here. That's going to kind of simplify your trading and let you find pairs, whether it's forex, commodities, futures, Bitcoin, whatever indices, a lot faster. So it's going to scan the market, and you can actually tag alerts and all that noise, and make it a lot easier for you to jump in. But just getting started, just to understand the entire strategy. Here's the NZD JPY. So the strength is high or low. Well, it's going down, right? So essentially, when the trend's down, the strength is down, and the strength meter is down as well. The 1 minute to the all the way to the 1 day is just down, right? So here we're looking for that macro arrow, which I am failing to find. Oh, there it is. It just popped up right here, right? So what then you would do, and then here would be the perfect trade right here, would be the 4 opposing arrows or more, and then that 1 arrow down right there. So I can actually, I gotta fix my mouse. I apologize. This is on the fly. I just thought I'd do a quick video for you guys. Nothing's really perfect anyway, right? But essentially here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 or more, right? And the opposing direction of that trend. And then that arrow is where you would take it. And then essentially you just have your risk reward set up afterwards. But as you can see, it does go down quite a bit. And that's essentially the rules. So here we're still in that trend of the down, right? The downward trend. And here it's going against, right? So here might be another opportunity. But essentially what we're going to be waiting for is a arrow to be in the opposite direction. And then you're going to take the trade on that very next arrow, like I said up here. If I show it to you one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This arrow, you take the trade, whatever, just pop in a profit, short. Let's just say you take it from there, whatever. You'd be fine. Okay? So, you can let it ride or whatever your rule tolerance is, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 10, 5, 10, whatever. It doesn't really matter. It's all up to you because obviously you're an adult and you're going to trade how you're going to trade. But these rules are essentially where you kind of just keep your baseline, right? So, but even if let's say you're a commodities trader, like I like to trade futures a lot. So here I would go to crude. I like to trade crude. It moves a little slower than other assets in that space. You have the 1 minute to the 30 minute, the hour, 4 hour, and the day are all down. Sometimes I do omit. I'm not gonna lie on the commodities market this 1 hour just because these are all aligned and these things do pop and drop and the amount, unless I'm using the micros. But again, that's for a different time. But essentially, this would be a no-go, right? Because it's not aligning from the 1 minute to the 1 hour. There's a little discrepancies there, but the trend is up. And what I'd be waiting for is 4 back and then that pull back up. It's really pretty simple. But again, this is a no-go because that 1 hour isn't there. And let's just go to Bitcoin real quick. If you do crypto, commodities, whatever it is. So here's Bitcoin. That's a no-go right there because the trend and the strength are opposite, right? So, and you can see it's not going. Let's say you trade Ripple. That's no-go. That's a no-go. That's a no-go. Neo is a go. It's down, but let's just check. Nope. So we can move on. So then we go to the indices, right? Like let's say a lot of people like trading US 30. I know I used to like to trade US 30 a lot. We're gonna look. Let's see, there's US 30. Down. Too bad. So you move on. So now you can trade the S&P 500. You can see. Nope, that's no go. So again, you're not going to always win. You're not always going to have a trade there, but then you walk away because that's the whole entire idea, right? You want a higher probability of trade. This is down, but this doesn't align. But we did find a trade earlier. And the thing is that the whole entire idea of this is not to stare at the screen the whole entire day. You can set up alerts. You can do a lot of things. Again, I hope you got some value in this. And essentially, that's the whole entire strategy. So if this all aligned, then you would take the trade down. And then you would, win or lose, and then you walk away. But it's just removing that emotion. If you did see any value in this, I really do hope that you kind of reach back out to me. We'll get some future, value drops, I guess, in future, like emails or anything like that I do send out. And again, thank you very much. And again, thank you.